Do you still keep the old photos of the 90s? Do you want to make these old photos refreshing? Maybe adding a little color will make them look greatly changed. So how to quickly color the old photos of the 90s? Just upload them to AVC AI. Then select Colorize in the AI model. Just click Start Processing and the photos will be processed automatically. The process will not take a long time, just wait patiently. Let's check the Colorize effect now. Drag the vertical strip, you will see the comparison effect before and after processing. Click Zoom in, you can compare more details. The second photo is the same. AI Colorize makes the photo atmosphere stronger. Then come to the third photo. AI Colorize is perfect. Even if you are a novice of the picture editor, or you have never used it, you can also get started soon. And the effect after processing also looks great. After preview, you only need to click the red button to download this colorized photo in high quality. Thanks for watching. If you like it, just subscribe us to get 60 credits.